DFW Outdoorsman is powered by Ag Power.
Let's talk about our senior citizen over here.
Hey, let's talk about how Derek shot that duck 3 times.
Earth to bed. Apollo 13 is going down.
I was told that a protective head helmet would protect me out here, all right?
Yeah, your protective headgear is pretty good.
He's going to get a brain scan after we get done.
You just need the wire to your teeth and you'd be perfect. Then you can just start talking. Yeah.
The first thing I did was take both my gloves and stick them in the freezing cold water.
Yeah, not a bad idea.
Ben gonna file a lawsuit against Ducks Unlimited. Head trauma. Got some ear and head trauma. Go see your ear, nose, and throat doctor.
All I know is I'm toasty warm, so I'm good.
You really think you could throw a baseball and hit one?
No, they're a little farther than I thought.
If we got them to land like right here,
if we get that swoop that they did a minute ago, I bet I could smoke one.
why they're flying?
Yeah.
Or do they have to
I'm gonna lead them.
I don't want you to hit this with your finger.
That's what I was thinking.
I wouldn't do that.
Each finger worth about a meal.
What's his elbow worth?
The rest?
Yeah, the rest.
This your first trip out?
Yeah.
What do you think?
He can't hear you. Hey, can you move your headphones for a second? He's trying to talk to you. There you go.
This is the first time I've ever gone hunting, and
In life.
ever, and I'm having an absolute blast. I mean, the company's not very good, but I've got on headphones, so I don't have to listen to this stuff. But other than that, I mean,
He's listening to the other.
Hey, here we go,
duck
guys.
hunter.
Right here, coming in. Shoot it. There's a merganser. Bergie. There he comes. There he comes. Shoot it.
The other duck dive down.
This one here is the LMC Jezebel, and this one here is a Timber Demon. And then this, so look how small that is for a goose call.
oh really?
Yeah, we thought this sucker will go for geese. Called the Dead End. Dead End. It's a guy by the name of George Lynch up out of Erie, Michigan. Makes lynch mob calls. Be a good buddy of mine. I like him. He just sends me he knows by now just to send me, he sends me the call. No court, no read, entered or not, because I have to tune all my own.
Really?
Yeah.
This is TNT Explosions King. His call name is King. He's a Master National Hall of Fame. He's also a Master Hunter. He was the youngest dog in the nation to pass the Master National in 2010 in California. He's a finished dog. He'll do anything you want. He'll pick up quads, triples all day long without even thinking about it. He's 7 years old. Very, very, very good dog.
Shoot him!
What you got?
Well, I can't shoot